Dear colleague, this short presentation demonstrates you how to create a video tutorial using the Microsoft PowerPoint. Prepare the content. Prepare the lesson in the Microsoft PowerPoint and add animations and transitions. Record narration and timings. Select Slideshow. Record slideshow. Choose from two options. Start recording from beginning, to record from the beginning of a presentation. Start recording from current slide, to record from a specific slide. Select or clear what you'd like for your recording, and then select Start Recording. Start speaking or add markings to your presentation. Manage recordings. There are different ways to manage recordings in your presentation. Pause, to pause a recording. Close, to end a recording. Laser pointer, pen, highlighter, or eraser, to use the pointer, ink, eraser, or highlighter tools in your recording. Save recordings. When you're done recording, save your presentation and convert it into a video file. To convert the presentation into a video, select File, Save As. Select where you'd like to save your video to. Under Save As type, select the drop-down arrow and then select MPEG 4 video. Select Save.